I'm going to enter a space that a lot of people have already entered and made their name and all that. I thought, you know what? Let's try this. Let's try this out. It's very common. It's nothing new or fancy, but it's just slightly different with my own take. No, man, not reels, Anish. I wish I could do reels. Um, I tried reels also. Two, three things I tried, and then I think so. I'll tell you what. If you go to my Instagram, there's one reel where I put scam 1992 ka thing, and I have the similar like everyone does. Put their finger here, there, five things, tick, 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 and after that I saw it, and I'm like, shit. I'm like, this is not me. I can't dance with all that. Not me at all. I'm like, did I think I should just stick to long form content or impromptu reels, right? I'm good with impromptu stuff. I'm a live person, not a I don't like pre-recorded because I feel so scripted when I do pre-recorded. When I'm live, I'm in my element, right? Because whatever's flowing in my head, I can put it out without filter. Every time I do a pre-recorded video, it feels like I'm some fake actor or something like that. कौन है भाई? Not many things happen actually. Apart from yesterday's new fiscal thing, right? Not many things have happened actually. I'm pretty sure Anish should have kept you guys updated with everything. Oh yeah, stock idea to discuss this week. Or definitely Pix transmission would be quite interesting to do. I don't know if you guys are seeing what's happening with Pix. Tata like Alexi doing really dude. That's what I was saying. I was telling my Pro League people, right? So I did a session with my Pro League people yesterday. Even though Pro League is over, I did a session with them because I've told them one deal where once in a month, at the start of every month, we will all meet together. Because in that Pro League there are around 150 people, and I told each of them have to do their own research and find some multi-bagger golden stocks, which we will discuss together, and we will find out who's good and who's bad. And yesterday they actually found one stock. Okay, someone randomly found one tech IT stock which looked really good. Okay, it was like it's a very low market cap company. I think it is what 963 crore market cap company. Good financials, everything's doing well. And I came to know about this on Saturday, and then I think Monday it went up by 20%, Tuesday it went up by 11%, and I'm like, dude, what the hell? That's mad, but crazy. This is the power of one second. One second. Yeah. So this was a good stock, but again, I'm still researching about it, so I can't tell you guys what it is until I don't do my full research. The company, yeah, Laksh has seen last 2 days what's happened to the stock, and I didn't buy it, man. I'm like, dude, whoever found this yesterday, what is that chance, man? This is insane. It's gone up by 31% in the last 2 days. Craziness. Yeah, my Pro League people are here or what? How did the name come out? Nice. Yeah, so that's what I was telling my people, right, in the Pro League as well, that it feels like all our stocks are doing really well. Like whatever we had tracked, whatever we were looking at, and whatever they were, yeah, XFLE was up 10%. Whatever we had tracked is definitely like it's gone up, and I don't know how. Like the market's down, everything's going down, but whatever we are looking at, because they're fundamentally so strong, they're doing well, right? If you look at each and every one of them, they're all in some nice power trip, so which is good. But that is nice, yeah. Pro League will take time, man. Pro League will take time. Not now, not anytime. I'm gonna wait for the Scenes platform to fully be done, and then I will launch my first Pro League on the Scenes platform itself. Cool. Small case update, no update. Everything's working well. Do not ask for update when there is no update required. Everything is perfectly all right now. Nothing has changed fundamentally. I'm not touching anything. Everything's doing well. If it's not doing well, I think you should sell it. Uh, Actually, let me check. Let me just log into that. One sec. Um, can you give my charger from that bag? Always out of charge. Give me 1 second. I'm just logging in to check if I need to change anything. But the way We can't reach our servers, it seems. Okay, interesting. One sec. Either way, I'll have a look at that. Everything's doing well, man. I mean, see, guys, first of all, everything is a cycle. Understand that. Do you know what I mean by cycle? Right, there are some things that goes up, some things that are going down, but eventually everything will go up. Okay, that is the golden rule. Some things will go up, some things will go down. Stock is consolidating because it has gone up so high, right? Other stocks are going up because they were consolidating for so long. Time lagta hai, right? By the way, the video is up for all the people who are asking. That video became private. It's back. I told you I get it back up. It's back up. So whoever wants to see that video can go see that video as well. Hmm? One sec. 504513. What? 50. Okay, nice. Yeah, cool. Let me tell you what is happening for all the people who wanted an update. Okay, so for all the people who wanted an update on the small case thing, right? Let me tell you. Yeah, I think 30,000 small case is up by 30%. Current returns is 30%, total returns is 25%. Fine, let's assume 25% as the total returns, which is in my opinion not that bad because we invested on Feb 20th. Abhi kya hai? Feb, March, April, May, June, 4 महीने में. Okay, fine, because the market's also doing well, right? Because this is a good market for everyone, so everything's doing well. Lotus Labs is up by 85% since we invested. For all the guys who want to know the power of fundamental investing, right? And for all the people who thought it was difficult, I think Lotus Labs is 85% up from when we invested. Aram se, like it took time, right? It took 5 months. It takes time to actually go up. Even if something goes up by 10%, you should be very happy about it, right? Happiest Minds also is up by 12%, not 12%, 46% since we got in. Deepak is up by 40. Naveen is up by 47. Not bad. Not bad at all. Naveen is up by 47. If you look at the 5,000 small case, total returns 15%, current returns 26%. Not bad, 15% also for such a risky thousand thing. Even the thousand small case up by 17%. So I think overall everything is well. I would not want to change anything. And if something is not moving, there were months. I think there were 2 months where Loris wasn't moving as well, but it was fundamentally strong. As long as the company is fundamentally strong, what did I tell you? 1 year you should have that patience to hold and see what happens, right? And for all the people who have been holding, okay, for all the people who have been holding for so long, can definitely see the results. All the people who are impatient would now see how they missed out. And this is what I keep telling from day one, right? If you really want to become if you really want to actually make money in the stock market, you can't do it in 2 days, you can't do it in 3 days. You have to wait for a very 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 long period of time. You cannot expect that I come today and I become Rakesh Jinjwala tomorrow. Even he took time. To tum kya ho, right? If he takes so long, then you should also take so long. Okay. If you get it fast, I'm not saying you can get it fast, but if you can get it fast, then you can consider yourself lucky, not smart. Okay, so please be careful with respect to luck and I am the king of the market. It doesn't work that way. Okay, there's a lot of, it's basically like a cycle, right? That's why they keep saying it's a cycle, because it goes up, then waits, might go down a little bit, and then again it'll go up, then again wait, go down, again it'll go up, again wait, again go down. um, so it keeps happening, right? But the main thing to look at is over a 365-day period, are you up or down? And even if you're up, are you above the inflation rate? Are you above the normal index? If you're above the inflation rate and above the inflation rate, you should consider yourself successful. If you're below the inflation rate or below the index, that means not that good. Got it? Understood? Okay. But again, please hold on, guys. Please wait for a long period of time. um, don't expect everything to happen tomorrow. Got it? That's what I would say. Nice. Chalo. Awesome. uh okay, this is good. Okay, let's look at some news. First of all, what happened in the market today? Right, Sensex fell down by 185. Okay, Sensex fell down by 185 points. It's still hovering at 52,500. Imagine there was a point where we were all talking and we said Sensex needs to breach 50,000. Sensex needs to breach 50,000, and it finally breached 50,000. Now it's stuck at 52,500 for a very long time, right? It's not going up, not going down. Nifty Bank is at 35,000 right now, and Nifty 50 is at 15,748. Okay, this is what the current situation is happening. Number one. If you look at what is happening with the indexes, okay, metal, bank, and stocks today underperformed. Lot of, I mean, it was not a, okay. Tell me why it went down today. In fact, do you guys know why it went down today? Yeah, Pranay is right. Pranay is like it went up too much too fast, right? The reason being, not only yesterday, even on Friday and yesterday, both days it went up, right? It was volatile for a few days, went up. Then obviously, whenever it goes up, there is something known as correction that happens. Correction is basically, obviously, it can't keep going up, and it should not keep going up, because if it keeps going up, it will become an issue. So thoda upar, thoda niche, thoda aage, thoda piche karke, but in the end, it should always go up. Got it? That is what we should look at. Another thing, Zomato, okay, IPO bound Zomato invested $120 million in Grofers today. Okay, it's a done deal. Grofers becomes a unicorn, a term, okay, whatever. Grofers becomes a unicorn. Unicorn is basically a $1 billion company. Kya cheating hai, bro? This is like, this is just cheating, dude. Can someone tell me why this is cheating? Can someone tell me why this is cheating? Why I consider this is not fair? Right? I find this a little unfair. You know why? No, it's not because they're eliminating competition. I'm talking about the billionaire unicorn status. So, Zomato is investing 120 million in the grocery startup right before the IPO. What does that signal to the IPO people? Array, Zomato is doing awesome. Right now, they're investing in Grofers. That means they'll get more profit, they'll get more gain, right? But now Zomato is also investing $120 million to show Grofers as a $1 billion company, because if they invest in that and they put a $1 billion status on that company, then what happens? That company comes under the books of accounts of IPO as well in their IPO document, and it shows that they have a particular amount of stake in a $1 billion company. Right? If they invested 120 million in a $1 billion valuation, means they have 12% of Grofers. I'm pretty sure they would have taken much more than that. Right? It all comes under the on the books of Zomato, right? That they invested 120 million, and it's a self appreciation. Very good, Abhishek. So that's what it is. Now, maybe, yes, inflating the valuation, correct, Joshua? That's what I'm saying. So maybe Grofers not actually valued at 1 billion. Maybe it's not valued at 1 billion. Do we even know the financials of Grofers? Maybe they're doing well, maybe they're not doing well, right? But why now? Why suddenly they become a $1 billion company? And that's so cheating, dude, because now the founders of Grofers will be like, oh, you know what, I'm a unicorn status company and all that. I mean, it's like, to the other founders struggling so hard, it's still sad. But yeah, yeah, it's like saying tomorrow. See, it's like saying, there's another company coming out with an IPO and they want to invest in Avalon, and they directly make Avalon $1 billion status so that it looks good in their IPO document, and they are happy. I am happy. Everyone's happy. Won't that be so cool? That'll be damn sweet. Yeah, ये सब सिर्फ सपनों में होता है, एंड अच्छा खासा नेटफ्लिक्स डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में होता है. It doesn't happen in real life, so please don't take that into direct consideration. Okay. वो सब मूवीज में और स्क्रिप्ट लिखने वाले में अच्छा होता है. सडनली समवन विल कम टू बियर एंड देन एवरीथिंग बिकम्स नाइस. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so there is a professor called Ashwath Damodaran. Have you guys heard of him? There's a professor called Ashwath Damodaran, yes. He is apparently a very famous guy in the valuation markets, right? He's one of the famous guys in markets and valuation. uh, Smart guy, very intelligent guy. What happened is, what he's saying is, Bitcoin has not just failed, it's failed miserably, says valuation guru Ashwath Damodaran, king of valuation. Yes, I think Ashwath Damodaran should do one valuation of Zomato IPO also once, just to check the valuations properly, right? No, see, Vibesh, you're saying Grofers was valued at 600 million last fundraise, so that makes sense. They become a unicorn, to be honest, right? Vibesh is saying. But Vibesh, do you know whether they've grown in that last time? I mean, if they've grown, great, not an issue at all. But have they grown from the last fundraise? Have they made more? Because I don't see a lot of ads. I've not seen a lot of aggressive push by Grofers. So the thing is, have they grown or not? If they've grown, maybe yes, but if they've not grown, no idea. But anyway, the valuations are on a peak right now. No one is trading at their fair valuation, to be honest. And by the way, this is not the first time this has happened in history. This has happened maybe 15 times in history right now. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Overinflated valuations has happened at least 15 times in our life history of finance right now. It all started with the in early days with the tulip scam. I don't know whether you guys heard of the tulip scam, but tulip scam के time पे एक बार हुआ था, long long ago. Then the 2000 bubble, yes. So for all the people who don't know, 2000 bubble saw the same thing. Literally, a lot of IT stocks who are coming IPO were going like were going berserk, right? They were going so high in the market for no reason, for no rhyme or reason. Then everything comes back to normal. Then 2008 maybe सब कुछ ऊपर गया, फिर सब कुछ नीचे आया. Now again we're seeing a nice valuation bubble. Now we'll see what to do. The only person who's can you tell me which stock in the market right now is not in a valuation bubble? The entire market is in a valuation bubble, but there is one amazing stock that everyone's talking about which is undervalued in a valuation bubble. That is the true stock. ITC is like, boss, तुम लोग जो कर रहे हैं मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I can't understand what you guys are doing. You are simply rallying and going up. I will stay true to my word. I will go up 1% a month and 12% a year. That is what ITC is saying. What a beautiful, very humble and what do you call that? Down to earth stock. Yeah, principled, very principled. So tomorrow, if the valuation bubble bursts and all that, ITC will not go down. In fact, I see ITC will be more safer than gold at that point because they're like, dude, we are going step by step. We do not care about rally. तुम लोग सब fast cars डाल के जा रहे हो. We are going normal अपना speed में, right? So yeah. Now, if you actually just Google stock memes, you will see ITC on top, right? But it's too funny, dude. Poor thing. Okay. Now look at this. There's a news article that's come on Money Control. Okay. There's a news article that's come on Money Control that says sanitizer penetration grows, but several FMCG companies deprioritize the product. Do you understand this? Even though the sanitizer market is growing, right? Even post COVID, believe pre COVID or during COVID, even post COVID, I've seen people now sanitizer has become like a normal what do you call it? It's become like a normal thing in life, right? Anytime they touch something, even whether it's COVID or not, you will still use sanitizer in the future because now it's become a habit in your life. Some people, sanitizers have become a habit. For some people, they just like the smell for some reason. I don't know why, right? But either which way, both of them use sanitizers a lot, right? Now, but what is happening is FMCG companies are not pushing sanitizers a lot apparently, even though there is so much room to grow, even though there is it's still growing. They're pushing other products and not pushing sanitizers for some reason. Because in the middle, if you had seen during peak COVID time, you would have seen Savlon ads everywhere, right? By the way, Savlon I think is ITC, right? If I'm not wrong. They're very aggressive with ads, keeps going more and more. So Savlon ads were everywhere, Lifebuoy ads were everywhere, and they were also doing ads where it says 99% effective to remove COVID and all that, right? Which I didn't understand only, but every other ad was a sanitizer ad. Every other ad was uh, somehow against COVID wala ad. So it was very weird. Some people were even showing bacteria and saying COVID is not going to come because of this. Bacteria protect and then COVID won't come. So I don't know. It is very weird, but either which way. Now I don't know what happened in the new yesterday. I think who was that? Finance minister came, right? Sitaram. So she came yesterday and did a lot. Sita Raman, actually, yeah. So she came and came out with another stimulus package, right? Basically, the stimulus package means I saw. I didn't read the whole thing, but I know she again pushed a lot into pharma and banks and MSME, and then basically the what do you call that? Typical sectors, right? It was a 6.28 lakh crore stimulus package. 6.28 lakh crore, guys. 6.28 lakh crore. Okay, where is this money coming from? 6.28.933 crores have been has come into existence so that they can push it into different sectors so that they can grow those sectors as well. Okay, so they have expanded more 1.5 lakh crores has gone into something known as emergency credit line guarantee scheme. Okay, I've never heard of this scheme. Also, she has announced another 7,500 crore scheme to guarantee loans for small borrowers and MFIs, right, which is microfinance. So it has gone there as well. Some money has gone into there. Some money has gone into healthcare investments in non-metropolitan areas and sectors such as tourism. Tourism. Why? Okay. I don't think tourism needs money right now. A separate 23,000 crores has been allocated to public health with a focus of pediatric care, which will also be utilized for increasing ICU beds, oxygen supply. Yes, this is something that is very important, so that is good. Sai Kumar is saying free 5 lakh international visas. Kisko? I want some really free tourist visa, it seems. Oh, I didn't know this. No, but that's so weird because you get free tourist visa, but Covaxin and Covishield now both are not allowed to travel. So how will you travel? Which is given tourist visa for free. That's very interesting. This is nice. Let me read this. This is something that I didn't understand. Modi government to boost ailing travel sector. FM announces free tourist visa to 5 lakh tourists. 5 lakh tourists. That's all. Once visa issuance. Dude, first of all, in India, 5 lakh tourists is nothing. Is a drop in the ocean. Yeah, first 5 lakh people who want visa to travel with the newly vaccine visa. 5 lakh people is nothing, bro. 5 lakh people would be Ghatkopar. People who want to travel. Let the visa issuance start. Ghatkopar, 5 lakh people go get their visa and will go away. It's that, like, that's it. That's 5 lakh people. Like, everyone wants to travel outside, right? I don't think the giving free visas will really boost people to travel, to be honest, right? People who want to travel in India will find a way and travel. You give them a chance to travel. That is the main thing. Don't give me free visas. Tell me Covaxin is allowed and Covishield is allowed. You can go. Then you see what will happen to the travel sector. It'll boom. It'll boom like hell. Okay, someone's saying that's for people coming to India. Okay, so that's 5 lakh free visas for people coming into India. That also is very small, bro. If you actually think about, just say Goa's open. You'll see how many people come to Goa. That's it. Just say Goa's open again. COVID free Goa is open. Just give this news in the international forum. You see how many people will come running here. But yeah, insane. Nice, good stuff. At least we're thinking in the right direction, guys. At least we're thinking in the right direction. Not bad at all. No, but it's always interesting to see where the money is going, because first of all, it is very interesting to see where the money is coming from. Right? First, we need to know where the money is coming from. We all know where it's coming from this nice factory. Then we need to know where the money is going into, right? And we need to see if we can connect the dots when the money goes into something like this. Right, again, remember guys, when we connected the dots before, didn't we predict which industry is going to do really well now? Post covid industry post covid industry that's going to do really well. Aviation, hotel, yes. Tourism, basically tourism, hospitality, casino, definitely. Yeah, Delta Corp is going to kill it. Has it already killed it? Let me check. Movies, not. I mean, yeah, movies, yes, but I don't think that much. I'll tell you why. Movies, no. For some reason, I don't think movies will recover that fast compared to other industries. I'll tell you why. Because now we have become so used to Netflix. We have become so used to Prime and Hotstar, the OTT platforms. I'll literally tell you now. My own dad, right after COVID lockdown, he spends more time on Netflix and Hotstar and Prime rather than watching live TV, which is he earlier used to just watch news day in day out. Now he's watching Blacklist and Lupin, and he's giving me Netflix suggestions, and I'm like, that's insane. That's very cool, right? But a lot of people are doing this, huh? A lot of people are moving on to OTT platforms from previous live TV platforms. So I don't know whether movies will come back to normalcy anytime soon. It will definitely come back, but it'll take time. Thoda time lagega, but it'll come, right? But aviation sector, you'll see the first hit, and I'll tell you, I can literally predict the news also that will come in the aviation sector. Do you guys, can someone predict what the news will be in the aviation sector? You can literally predict the news as soon as COVID is over and international travel is out there. Guess what the first news will be there? You will see the first news which says March or whatever the month is, okay, that specific month. It will just say that March shows record number of travelers moving in different whatever record number of international airline passengers, or record number of airline passengers will what they will show in that news article. That'll automatically, you know, for a fact then that in that quarter, right, in that quarter the airline stocks are going to go up, whichever airlines. In fact, you should try to find which airlines is international airlines more than domestic airlines. If there's any listed company that has more international airlines, that will do much better, because domestic people can still travel right now, right, and people are traveling, it's not like they're not. But find a company that has international travel. I don't know, I think Indigo has flights to if I'm not wrong, has flights to nearing. You should look at, don't look at Europe travel, right? Look at something that is close by. Thailand, yeah, Vistara. I don't think it's a listed company. I'm talking about listed company, right? Dubai will do really. So many people go to Dubai, Sri Lanka, Andaman, Nicobar, all the top destinations close by, right? Nazdik, not too far. Maldives, yes, all of this Indigo goes to. So, and Indigo has been consolidating from what God knows when, right? Just look at Indigo stock. It's been at the same thing from 2020. Its all time high was 1800. It is still there only, it's just consolidating, right? But the day it goes out, it will work really well. TK, bye sab, all good. Okay, so that was in the news. Next. One second. Facebook, by the way, hit $1 trillion market cap company. $1 trillion market cap. Facebook. $1 trillion. That sink in little bit. Thoda sink hone do. Right? And to come to think of it, Yahoo, or I think Google, someone had offered Mark Zuckerberg $1 billion to buy Facebook at one point. Right? Facebook was once offered $1 billion to buy it. Right? Facebook bought Instagram for $1 billion. Imagine the Instagram founders right now. $1 billion for Instagram. But now Facebook has become a $1 trillion market cap company. And if you look at it right now, Facebook literally has all the main platforms. It has Instagram, it also has WhatsApp, it has its own Facebook as well. The only thing that they don't have is something like a YouTube, right? But they're taking on all the small, what do you call that? Anything that is new, anything that is coming up. Yeah, they don't have Snapchat, right? But anything that's coming up, which is wherever users are like going and become like, animals have watering holes. Do you guys know animals? They have watering holes. Whenever there's a watering hole, all the animals go there and start drinking water. You would have seen it in the safaris and all that, right? Humans are no less, we're also animals. Anytime something is cool and hot and trending, we all go into that watering hole as well, right? When Clubhouse came, everyone said, wow, Clubhouse, awesome, let's go into Clubhouse. Everyone will become Clubhouse, everyone will become a creator on Clubhouse. People make clubs on Clubhouse. And now you open Clubhouse, they're like sex rooms and shoot your shot and some weird rooms like that, right? I'm not saying it should all be intellectual, but let it not be too cringe, right? It should not be cringe. Cringe is something which is, I mean, jo karna hai karo. It's life. It is up to you. Uh, you can do whatever you want with your own thing, freedom of speech. But little cringe, right? But again, you can't help it. That's life. Cipla gets DCGI nod to import Moderna's vaccine, COVID vaccine, Moderna, for restricted emergency use. So Moderna is coming. Moderna is the first vaccine that we all spoke about. Um, and Cipla is getting it. Okay, let's look at the share price reaction of Cipla. Mr. Cipla, nice. Mr. Cipla went up by 1.72%. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so that is also nice. Okay, I'm just checking if there's any other interesting news articles apart from this. Oh, by the way, did you see what happened with the Reliance AGM as well? That happened. Reliance always goes down when the Reliance AGM happens every year. Reliance goes down. It is so predictable. Next year I'm just going to do one nice options trading on Reliance, when I'm just going to start buying PE options when Reliance is going, when the AGM is there every time. Yeah, Crystal is doing well. Don't That was actually predicted anyway, that we knew Crystal will do well. It connected the dots long ago. But every year Reliance goes down. I don't know why. Even though he announces something great, even though he announces something awesome, uh, it is bad. Okay, AGM is annual general meeting, Nikhil. Right? Every time he does it, it goes down. Crazy. Yes, I have another session today at 8 p.m. with Tushar from InfoHub. Remember, we raided his room once by mistake. Poor guy, didn't know what happened to him. But yeah, I have a session with him also today. Topic psychology of investing. I think today I'm really packed. Like now, I have another interview at 6 p.m. and then 8 p.m. that is happening today. I'm coming live on YouTube at 9 p.m. Yeah, yeah, मर गया मैं आज तो. It is finished. What else? I literally have like 1 hour, half an hour, 1 hour breaks in the gap. And now I have a team meeting also before the 6 p.m. meeting. So it's insane. It's very nice. It's good to be, it's good to be, what do you call that? It's good to be very busy. Yeah. When you're not at home on vacation. Okay, next. I'm just seeing if there's something else coming up. Mm. Wow, Amazon. By the way, AWS has just signed a multi-year digital agreement deal with Axis Bank. So apparently, 25 mission critical applications are on AWS, and it plans to migrate 70% of its on-site, on-premise data center infrastructure to the cloud in the next 24 months. That's some basically entire Axis Bank, majority of Axis Bank would be on AWS, right? Which is insane. Pranay is asking, is Acrystal a long-term multi-bagger? I don't know about long-term, but it'll be a multi-bagger as long as construction and infrastructure is booming. The minute that cycle turns, you can get away, but you'll make enough money in the gap. I mean, people who had invested in Acrystal long ago when we had discussed it, maybe 3 months ago, I think you would have definitely. It's I think what more than 100%. I'm not sure if it's gone up more than 100%. When did we talk about it? I'm not sure. Like 2 3 months ago we spoke about Acrystal and how infrastructure boom is going to happen, and how all the builders are saying that Acrystal is the only uh, thing that they're using. I don't know when we spoke about that. I think March, right? March it was around 300. Yeah, 300 was when we had got it sometime. Now it's at 658. Yeah, so for all the people who were there at that point and connected the dots, I see Debanji had bought it at Debjani had bought it at 400, so she's also doing really well. Yeah, see, it's not that difficult, guys. I mean, it is difficult, but if you keep reading news like this daily and you keep connecting the dots, in fact, after a point, it becomes so easy. It's not difficult anymore. And it's so, and you see that some things, though, I'm not saying all things, but some things are definitely predictable. Some things are not predictable. Some things are definitely predictable. Okay, what is this? Bajaj Healthcare, dude. This stock I missed out, guys. Bajaj Healthcare. I really missed out. I had very low conviction in this stock, right? I had it fell in my radar almost 8 months ago. Okay, 8 months ago, this stock fell in my radar. It was at 450. Now it's at 810. It was a very low cap stock, right? It was at 500 crore market cap when I saw it. It's at 1100 right now. I don't know. I just missed it. I missed it. Like I wanted to, but then I was like, okay, let me buy something else. I got a little distracted, and then I left it. It's still in my watch list actually. Bajaj Steel, check it. Let me check Bajaj Steel. I'll check it either way. Okay, I think this week what we should do is we'll do an stock of the week. Whoever wants to research can do it. We'll do stock of the week. What is the stock of the week? Mm, what do you guys want to do? Stock of the week. Tell some interesting stock, guys. What is trending right now? What is doing well? Acrystal, you already know, right? You don't have to do Acrystal. Oh yeah, we were supposed to do Tata Alexi. Yes, yes, yes. Tata Alexi. Dude, Tata Alexi is a mid cap player. Okay, do you guys know that it's a mid cap player? Okay, it's by Tata, like very very closely knit, held by Tata. Its market cap, guys, is 25,000 crores is the market cap of this company. Tata Alexi's market cap is 25,000 crores. Now, knowing Tata and knowing how Tata stocks go up so much, do you feel that this is like at a discount right now, considering 10 years into the future for a Tata company? Tata Alexi, I'm talking about. Also, I just heard that Tata Alexi is also very crucial in the 5G space. Apparently, it's coming up and becoming very crucial in the 5G space. Have you seen it? I saw some news that day. Tata Alexi 5G. Wow, there's a news article that came out 1 week ago that says Tata Elxsi and Vaibhav Global are the top businesses to bet on long term, both of which we have. So that's good one, guys. In the coming years and with 5G enrollment, we'll explore Tata Elxsi's potential. So 5G is going to really help Tata, and I feel like this is my one of my personal favorites. I have two very good tech favorites that I have, both in the same category, right? I have two mid cap, what do you call that? Two mid cap tech stocks that I'm very bullish on in the future, right? One is this for sure. Tata Elxsi, I'm fully bullish. Like I can just leave it for retirement is what I'm bullish with. And the other one was what Happiest. Happiest Minds is also something really nice. From the research that I'm doing, I like it a lot. Oh, just to adhere to some new rules in the market, I am not a SEBI registered investor, so whatever I say right now is not a buy or sell recommendation. My God, I can't believe I have to do this if someone's recording. But yeah, this nothing is a buy or sell. I do not recommend any buy or sell. So you have to do your own research, guys. Please do your own research, which I've been saying from day one. But people will not, if they have to catch me, they'll catch me either way. Yeah, but man, apparently it's a new rule. Whenever you talk about stocks and you're not a SEBI registered investor, you have to tell this to people. Either way, you guys know everything is, yeah, you guys know that everything is research based only. You have to do your own research, even if I tell you or not. But फिर for all the new people, guys, I only tell people to do their own research. I do not recommend any buy or sell. Please, thank you. कल आके न्यूज़ में आ जाएगा वो Shashank told me to buy this. It didn't go up. It went down by 1%, and Shashank, you're bad. Right? There are people who do that. Right? 1% नीचे जाता है, they'll blame the whole world's problems, their neighbors' problems, their कुत्ते का problem on me only. नहीं चाहिए ये सब nonsense. खुशी खुशी रहो. Do your own research. Yeah, I remember in the start, right, when we did the small case first video, within a week they were like, why is it down by 1%, why is it down by 0.5%? Within a week, not even 1 week, not even 7 days. Now no one will talk after 3 months, when I kept telling people calm down, shanti low, hold for 2 3 months. And on top of that, I still remember there was someone, the entire portfolio was up, but there was one stock that didn't go up. They were like, why is that one stock down? Why everything went up but that is down? Your entire portfolio is up 20%, but why is that one stock down by 3%? Please tell me why. Now I have to justify to people and tell them that in a portfolio there is a mix of stocks that go up and go down, but overall you have to average upwards always, right? But people want to invest 100 rupees. If they invest in 10 stocks, all 10 stocks should be 20% upper circuit. Yeah, everyone wants just upper things, right? So I keep telling them, just wait, just wait for the future. We'll see what happens. Whether one is bad or two is bad doesn't matter. At the end of the day, everything should be good. You should make money. People don't understand that at the end of the day, they have to beat inflation and they have to beat the index. That is the game. The actual game is not with anyone else, but to beat the index and to beat everything else. So उस पे focus करो, ज़्यादा stress मत लो life में, which a lot of people do. So relax, calm down. Awesome. Good stuff. Okay, chalo. I think that's it for today's session. Now tomorrow we will do the session slightly earlier. Okay, because tomorrow I have a meeting at 4:30. So tomorrow let's do the meeting maybe at 3:45. I'll set an event and keep it so you guys can understand that as well. Because 4:30 I have a meeting tomorrow. Yeah, today I'll be coming back at 8 o'clock on the platform, and then I will come on YouTube at 9 o'clock. So I will meet you guys there. It's a live session, so if you want to ask any questions, anyway, what I do here, but more with a videoistic video format. So if you want to have any questions, you can come there and ask me. It's on Avalon Meta live channel. Okay, if you can come on Avalon Meta live channel, you will see me there. It's a simple normal YouTube live. uh I've never done a YouTube live before, so this is the first YouTube live that I'm doing. So I don't know what is the YouTube. No, it's more like just live with me. There's no topic. It's live with me. You can ask me whatever question you want. Very interactive live. So जो पूछना है पूछो. It'll just be a chill session. Q&A, AMA, live. अगर you don't want to talk about finance, that's also fine. We can do something else. Relax करो, right? We can do whatever we want. डीजे नाइट करना है, डीजे नाइट भी करेंगे. प्लीज, आई वांट टू डीजे मन की बात विद शशांक सर, जोशुआ सेड विल डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, चलो मिलते हैं. ठीक है, चलो. आई विल सी यू गाइस एट 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Hectic day, guys. Don't get bored of me. Chalo, bye.